Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Nura Amira binti Mama Fuad. Today we want to talk about application of integration in engineering mathematics 2. Thank you to Puan Salihah for giving us this opportunity to explain about integration. Before we start, I would like to introduce my group members. First, JAZMINA binti Nur Azham and her number matrix is 01DKA21FY002. Next, Maizatul Alia Izzati binti Muhammad Zawahir and her number matrix is 01DKA21F1019. And next, me, Nura Amira binti Muhammad Fuad and my number matrix is 01DKA21F1020. And lastly, Siti Nur Hazwani binti Ruslan and her number matrix is 01DKA21F1021. Introduction of integration. The integral is calculated to find the function which will describe the area, displacement, volume that occurred due to a collection of small data which cannot be measured singularly. 1. The relationship involving the rate of change of two variables. 2. But also need to know the velocity of an object at a particular time, but we may want to know the position of the object at that time. 3. To find the direct relationship, we need to use the process which is opposite to differentiation. This is called integration or anti-differentiation. For the process of integration are used in many applications.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is JAZMINA binti Nur Azham with registration number 01DKA21F1002. Now, I will present to you guys about team role and responsibilities in this group. Me as JAZMINA will present to you guys about example of application of integration of real life and also team's roles and responsibilities. The next presenter, Maizatul Alia, she will present about introduction of integral and also summary. Next, Nurul Amira, she will present about introduction of group members and also she will explain and present about the question to calculate point of intersection A and B. And the last presenter, Siti Nur Hazwani, she will present and also explain to you guys the question to find intercept of C and also to calculate error under the curve. And now, I will pass the next presentation to Maizatul Alia. Now, I will explain to you guys about some example of application of integration of real life. As we know, in mathematics, integrals are used to find the center of mass, which is centroid of an area having curved sides. Next, to find the area between two curves, the average value of curve, and also to find the area under a curve. And now I will explain to you guys about example to find the area under a curve. The area under the curve can be calculated through three simple steps. First, we need to know the equation of the curve, which is y equal f multiply x, the limits across which the area is to be calculated, and the axis enclosing the area. Secondly, we have to find integration, which is antiderivative of the curve. Finally, we need to apply the upper limit and lower limit to the integral answer and take the difference to obtain the area under the curve. Next, I will show you guys about some example of application of integration in physics. As we know, in physics, integrals are used to calculate. The first one is center of gravity, mass and momentum of inertia of vehicles, mass and momentum of satellites, mass and momentum of a tower, the center of mass, the velocity of a satellite at the time of placing it in orbit, the trajectory of a satellite at the time of placing it in orbit, and also to calculate thrust. Now, I will make a short conclusion about application of integrals. Application of integrals also includes finding the area enclosed in the ellipse, the area of the region bounded by the curve, or any enclosed area bounded in the x-axis and y-axis. The application of integration varies depending upon the fields. Graphic designer use it for the creation of three-dimensional models, and also physicists use it to determine the center of gravity. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Question. The graph of curve with equation y equal 1 over 3x squared and y is equal to x plus 6. Determine the point of intersection A and B between two lines, which is y is equal to 1 over 3x squared and y is equal to x plus 6. So from the question, we need to find the point of intersection A and B. So we write the equation which has been given in the question. So we write 1 over 3x squared is equal to x plus 6, and then we need to bring the right one to the left and make it equal to 0. So you just calculate using calculator, use EQN, and then you get the two answer, which is x is equal to 6 and x is equal to negative 3. So that is the answer for point of intersection.
Hello, my name is Siti Nurhazani binti Ruslan and my matrix number is 01DK821F1021. So right now I'm going to continue with the question B and C. So the question B, which is the y-intercept at the point C. At the y-intercept, the x is equal to 0. So the y is equal to x plus 6 and y is equal to 0 plus 6, and the last one, the answer is y is equal to 6. So moving to the next one, see the area under the curve for the region bounded by the curve at the axis. So we integrate the x plus 6 dx plus 1 over 3 x power of 2 dx, and we get the x over 2 plus 6x and 1 over 9x power of 3, and we differentiate at the x bracket power of 2 and over 2 plus 6 bracket 6 minus in the bracket negative 3 over 2 power by 2 and plus 6 in the bracket negative 3. So we plus with the 1 over 9 in the bracket 6 power of 3, and we minus with 1 over 9 in the bracket negative 3 power of 3, and we get the 54 minus by 27 over 2 plus 27, and we get the answer is 189 over 2 unit power of 2.
Summary application of integration. 1 is solve problem using integration. As said in the question, we are required to find the answer. We have to apply integration method. 2. We have enhanced our skill of sketching graph and finding the limits of the shaded region. 3. With the integration as mathematical technique, we have been able to reach the solution of the different method used. The method brings a simple and clear way, thus can be used for practical data. And the last one is we can say the mathematics are very important in our daily life, so we have to learn them as much as possible to understand.